So once you're completed with step 1, it's going to ask you to complete step 2 of the 3 steps. So step 2 is specifically going to go through the skills that you previously ranked, and now it's asking you to rate your skills by the level of importance and enjoyment that you want in that work. So for example, this says write. Apply rules of good writing to properly and clearly express ideas. And then I would rank, is that very important, highly important for me when it comes to work, and I highly enjoy it? Is it moderately important and I kind of somewhat enjoy it? Or does it have low importance to me? I don't really enjoy it and I don't really want to do it when it comes to work. So for me, I might rank this one as moderate importance. So we'll ask you to go through each card again and rate it on how important it is to you and how much you might enjoy it when it comes to work. So I'd like you to go through step 2. Once you're completed to step 2, it will have you move on to step 3.